Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do some Old English lettering. And the Old English lettering is a phrase in Latin called Temet Nosce. Now I probably said that completely wrong. You'll see in the bloopers that I did try to practice, but you know, not everything works out correctly, let's face it. So anyway, today I'm going to show you how to do some lettering. It's going to turn into something cool, something usable. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So this is the show and tell part. This is where I talk about how I did it and what are the cool things about it, and also what I would change if I could. But before I do that, if you would please subscribe to my channel, I would love it if you did that, and leave me a comment. So without further ado, so I've got it here, it's right here, I'm just going to go and pick it up. Right, so here we go. This is absolutely massive, so I'm going to come out the shot for a minute so you can get a good view of what it looks like first. So this is the full look of it. Hopefully it is in shot. You can just about see me right there. And I'll put it across there like that. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit so you can just see me talking over it, because that's literally the only way I can do it right now. So this took me quite some time because there was lots of moving parts, so to speak. I had to get the wood, and then I had to get the hooks, and then of course I had to make the lettering. So I got all of these kind of like all at the same time, but certain things weren't right, so I got different hooks and then they didn't work out quite right. So yeah, that's kind of how it went. So this board itself was originally a coat rack, so it had some really weird coat hooks on them. They were all really strange and odd and all dotted around this basically. So I took this whole piece of wood, took it to my dad's, and then he helped me plane it down, sand it. It looked really, really cool. And then basically we polished it all up and made it like this. Now, in typical true style and true fashion of me, I do not have any before photos because I didn't take any. And I don't know why I did that, because you'd have seen such a cool effect of how it did look originally and what it looks like now. But I'm just so pleased that this is actually done, because everything has come together and I've finally done it. So again, I'm just going to show you. I'm going to come out of shot again so you can get a good view of how it looks. You probably won't be able to hear me very well either because the mic's in front and not behind. So I'm going to shush for a second so you can get a good look without me waffling. So there you go, I absolutely loved this. This was really scary, I've got to admit, because once I'd stuck all these on, or once I was about to stick some of them on, obviously they had to be straight and they had to be the right sort of size apart, and oh, it was scary, it really was. I'm not gonna lie, that wasn't the easiest thing to do. I can't even offer any guidance as to how I would do it better. I mean, I did draw on this one at the tiny little bit. I made a slight pencil mark, which gave me the starting point, but the rest of it, if I'm honest with you, is kind of just me eyeballing it and just seeing how it went and following on from each letters. I'm just going to come a bit further back here so you can get a full idea of literally how big this is. This is absolutely massive, but it's sturdy, let's say that. So yeah, each hook, I got my partner to help me with that. So my dad helped me with it, my partner helped me with it, and I did the fancy lettering, which to be honest with you was actually the easiest part. But anyway, this stands for Know Thyself, and it is just one of the coolest things I've ever made. So this is how you do old style lettering and then put it on a coat rack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. I'm not going to be able to say that, am I? Temet Nosce.
Temet Nosce. Temet Nosce.
Temet Nosce. Okay, well, you get the idea. Anyway, that. But first, well, I better have a drink before this one. Gotta sit on my donut properly, otherwise my bum hurts. Thanks for watching the tutorial. I hope that Thanks for watching the tutorial. I hope that showed you something. Yeah? Maybe? Okay. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Thanks for watching the tutorial. I hope that showed you how to make some cool shit. Now, the whole idea of doing it from paper to polymer clay works for pretty much anything, to be honest with you. But before, I would love it if you would please subscribe to my channel. I am currently I am currently, oh my goodness me. But before, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I love the interaction and the chatting to everybody. I've got hives from doing this. I don't like asking people to subscribe. And go through it and well, meow 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 meow, and how I did it, meow 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 meow. And then I proceeded to literally whatchamajigger it. So I literally, and then I proceeded to But it's sturdy is what I'm going for. I mean, if you hit someone, no, I'm not going to say that. Subscribe.